Hi, my food lovers. Welcome back to another delicious video. Today we are making some garden egg stew. We want to start off by cutting our garden eggs. We want to cut them into two and then ensure that you show it and then make sure to see that it's free from any worms or maggots. It's very important to do that because you do not want to put or add any foreign material to your food. So just do it like this until you exhaust everything. Now we are going to go in with our tomato and onions. Just note that all these ingredients has been washed and the onions as well has been peeled and everything is nicely placed in the cooking pot. We want to add in our pepper and then we are going to top this up with some water. We are going to cook this together with our garden eggs, and as time goes on, we will just take the vegetables, the onions, the pepper, and then the tomato from it. And because we want to build up flavor, we are going ahead to add some garlic. So we'll be grinding the garlic and then we'll later introduce our pepper. At this stage, the pepper is just fine and it's soft. You can see, and so we will just put it in an earthenware bowl and we are going to grind this, not entirely smooth, but we'll grind it very well. And you can see here that our onions and tomatoes to look so soft. So we don't want them to keep long in the water on the fire. So we'll just take these ones out and then we'll keep them while we grind the pepper. So just grind the pepper. If you achieve something like this, you can go in with your onions. You do that and then you add your tomato as well. You should get something like this. At this stage, we can add some salt to taste. After which we can go ahead and then get a bowl and we'll just put everything in that bowl because we'll be grinding our garden eggs right in the same earthenware bowl. If your earthenware bowl can contain everything, just go ahead and put everything right inside there and grind together. Now this is how we are going to peel our garden eggs. You see, you can peel it like this and then you take the inside out. We are going to grind that or blend that and then we keep the back in a separate bowl. That will also be useful as we go on in this video. Grind these very well or blend it if you prefer that and you do not want to go through all of these stress. So grind that and set it aside. Now into a separate pot, go in with your palm oil and then some fermented fish. If you want to use vegetable oil, you can go ahead and just use that. It's perfectly okay. Go in with some sliced onions for flavor and then you want to stir this and allow it to fry for a few minutes. And now we can go in with our blended pepper, onions, garlic, and also tomato. Just go in with that. And because these things will pre-cook, you do not have to waste too much time making this stew at this stage because our pepper, onions, and then tomato were already cooked. So everything will just go on smoothly. Now we want to go ahead and then introduce our garden eggs, the seeds we grinded. So we'll introduce that first, and after which you go ahead to stir. Make sure you stir and ensure that everything has mixed very well with the rest of the things. Go in with your protein of choice. I use just mackerel because I'll be adding some eggs to enjoy this. Of course, I'm a Ghanaian. Now, let's go ahead and then introduce some seasoning of choice. I'm using some Maggi shrimps right here for some extra taste. Stir this very well and then you go in with the back of your garden eggs. Just go in with that because we want to have some chunks in there. We don't want everything to be smooth. We also sliced in some onions to add up to the flavor. Let this simmer for a few minutes and your garden egg stew should be ready. Kindly check the description to get all the details you might have missed or I might have missed in this video. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you should give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done that yet and also click on that bell notification icon. Once again, thank you so much for watching, loves. I would see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe. Bye.